Why mindfulness matters for work-life balance.
Maintaining work-life balance can be challenging, especially with busy schedules and constant distractions. Practicing mindfulness, simply paying full attention to the present moment, can help reduce stress and promote a healthier balance. Even a few minutes of mindful practice during your day can increase focus, lower anxiety, and help you transition smoothly between work and personal time.
The 1-minute breathing break.
You don't need much time to practice mindfulness. Try this simple exercise. Pause for 1 minute and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your chest rise. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Notice the air moving in and out. This quick breathing break can calm your mind and ground you before returning to your tasks.
Body scan at your desk.
A body scan brings awareness to physical sensations, helping you release tension. Sit comfortably and close your eyes if you like. Start by noticing your toes, then slowly move your attention up to your legs, back, shoulders, and head. If you sense any tightness, try to gently relax that area. This practice can be done discreetly at your desk during the day.
Mindful walking between tasks.
Take advantage of transitions, such as walking to meetings or the kitchen. As you walk, focus on each step, the sensation of your feet touching the ground, and the rhythm of your breathing. Leave your phone behind for a minute or two. Mindful walking helps clear your head, refresh your body, and separates work from personal moments.
Grounding with the 5 senses.
When you feel overwhelmed, pause and bring attention to your 5 senses. Notice 3 things you can see, 2 things you can hear, and 1 thing you can feel. This grounding technique is quick, simple, and brings you back to the present, easing stress. It's a practical way to reset your mind and restore balance during a busy day.